In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a Bolt.new app to Netlify. First, open your web browser and sign into both your Bolt.new and Netlify accounts. Make sure your Bolt.new project is complete and ready to be published. Next, connect your Bolt.new project to GitHub if you haven't already. Export or sync your project to a GitHub repository so Netlify can access your source code. Now, open Netlify and click Add New Site, then select Import an existing project. Connect your GitHub account if prompted, choose the repository that contains your Bolt.new app, and continue to the project settings. After that, review the build configuration. Netlify will usually detect the framework automatically, but if needed, confirm the build command and publish directory based on your project setup. If your app requires environment variables, add them before deploying. Finally, click Deploy Site and wait for Netlify to build and publish your application. Once the deployment is complete, Netlify will provide a live URL where your app is available online. Open the URL to test your application, and whenever you push new changes to your GitHub repository, Netlify can automatically deploy the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy a Bolt.new app to Netlify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.